Hey everyone, so we were working on our done functionality. Let's go ahead and do that. So we would want some kind of CSS to have a line through in our list item. So let's read that over here. We will have a class which is done, complete or incomplete based on our done. So task.done. If task is done, that means we will use complete class. Else we will use incomplete class. Okay, let's also declare a CSS so that we can design that a bit. Let's see how it looks. Okay, refresh. We should see a complete here, and once we have complete, we should see our line through. So I messed up somewhere. Let's go back and check that. Okay, line through. Okay, I missed spelling. Okay, refresh. Okay, you can see there's a strike through. If I click here, why is it not updating? Oh man, I forgot it again. I need to call my print task. Okay, now everything should work. Refresh. You can see this is a strike through, but now the check mark is gone. So we need to make sure the check mark is there. For that, we will use this input box. Now, if our task is done, we will have property checked or nothing. So let's see if this works. As you can see, it's checked. If I click here, it's checked. I can toggle it back. This is working. I can delete it. So delete and check marks both are working. The next thing to do is save this into the storage and get from a storage. Okay. Now the first thing we'll do whenever program opens, we want to check if there's something in the storage or not. So chrome dot storage dot sync dot get, and we want tasks or key. Our key is constant here, so you can just go and declare task and you can get rid of this, and this will take a callback with the result. So console log result. Now whenever the program runs, we need to get data from storage. Let's see if we have anything right now. Of course we won't, but candidate producing undefined. Oh, I need permissions here. Yep, completely forgot about that. Since we have already permission, we'll have to refresh and then new page. So to do JS15, this is the one we are looking for. We don't have anything in the storage. No worries. So what we'll do is if result and so if we have results and we have task in the result, we will return that. Well, we can't return here with a synchronous function, so we'll need a callback. Okay. Callback the result dot tasks array. Else we will return an empty array. Okay, so this should work. Now get from a storage. We'll need to pass a callback. We'll have an array declared here. This will be tasks, so it will get the task, either the task array or empty array, and it's always a good idea to start from const and a constant and move to a variable if you need to change it. Tasks. Now we have got our tasks. So whenever we do anything like this, we need to save to storage. So once you are done with the append, you can save to storage. So save to storage, and tasks, it will be an object. Tasks will be tasks array, but since we can use shorthand here, and same over here. Sorry, I completely misplaced it. This one. Okay, once we are done with this one, in the print task we will actually get the task from here. So, or we can use the local task, it will be much faster. We can keep on using the local tasks. This works. Now the only missing part is our creating an into do. First refresh this and see if everything works. Yeah, you don't see any new to do, that's expected. Okay, what I'm going to do is have a task from beforehand. Okay, let's forget that. We will, in the next one, we will look at creating a new task, and I guess that would complete our to do function. Stay tuned, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.